Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. In this particular presentation, I will be guiding you to enhance your career digitally. Let's see what digital marketing is. Digital marketing refers to advertising delivered through digital channels such as search engines. So what search engines are? Search engines are used to promote your websites by doing keyword research. Another medium for promoting your content can be done using websites, for example, blogging. One of the most trending and effective platforms for advertising is social media. Execution is carried out by multiple applications like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Email is also one of the most popular media for advertising as it keeps your client connected. Advertising through mobile apps, one can promote its application and even display ads of other brands via mobile apps. Now, let's understand who digital marketer actually is. A digital marketer is someone who is responsible for creating marketing campaigns using various marketing tools such as Google AdWords, search engines, web analytics, etc. After the creation of such campaigns, he must ensure that campaign is successful and brand which is promoting is gaining popularity publicly. The ultimate goal of digital marketer is to attract the people, which leads to conversion of customers through various mediums such as Facebook, etc. Google Analytics here plays a vital role wherein we come across likes and dislikes of our customers. Also, we can geographically map a product or service. So, in this particular course of digital marketing, you're gonna learn HTML basics, that is client-side coding, WordPress, which is a framework used to create ready-made dynamic websites, blogging is another key where you will learn how to create a blog on topic of your own choice, which will be covered with search engine optimization of your website. Search engine optimization helps in prioritizing your websites and application on internet, which is done by none other than Google. Pay-per-click management, publicly called as PPC, helps in generating a short revenue when clicked on a particular link. As number of users on social media are rapidly increasing, pace of its marketing has big impact on customers. Content is considered as one of the most important creation for a digital marketer as the rating of websites by Google depends upon the quality of content design. Advertisements on YouTube are a good example of video marketing. Yeah, email marketing is very much essential for entrepreneurs as it helps them to stay connected with their clients and can then enable them to maintain business relationships in future. Last but not the least, affiliate marketing. Digital marketers can act as an agent and can gain commission for promoting business online. Key responsibilities of digital marketers. One should know basics of website designing and development. Digital marketers should know how to strategically present content to the end users. They must have good knowledge of search engine optimization and search engine marketing. They must also have product promotion skills and social networking skills. Key skills needed to be a digital marketing specialist. Knowing the basics of marketing, knowing how to plan and having the ability to manage time. Having creative and good presentation skills. Knowledge in key areas of marketing like SEO, social media, content marketing, email marketing, PPC, and search engine marketing. Know how to plan, create, and implement a marketing strategy. Understand the key measurement tools available, developing social presence and advocating brands effectively. Stay current in marketing trends and news, for example, Google updates and changes in algorithms. Career options in digital marketing. You can be a digital marketing manager, you can be a content marketing manager, you can be a content writer, you can be inbound marketing manager, social media marketing expert or specialist, search engine marketer, you can be an SEO executive, you can be conversion rate optimizer, you can also be a very good copywriter. Let's discuss the workplace of digital marketers. The workplace will depend on the specific type of company the digital marketing is working for. A digital marketing company tends to be part of the creative industries and will typically have a a contemporary approach to office space. Some large corporations that rely on their web presence for a lot of activities in their business may have in-house digital marketers. A lot of digital marketers do freelance work and will work from home. This option gives a lot of freedom with regards to working hours and location and is a great option.